So will StashAway portfolio include the China market?
Yes. So the China market is important because it's a huge economy and it's a dynamic economy, and that's where we can expect growth for a very long time. But right now, in the first quarter of 2020, we actually don't have exposure to the China market because back in August last year, we actually saw the global economy going close to zero growth. So zero growth means that we are almost in a recession if you look at the countries outside of the US, because the US is still growing quite strongly. If you're heading towards a recession, what you don't want to be doing is be exposed to emerging markets or volatile markets like China. You really want to be looking at safer asset classes and safer regions. Mm-hmm. So in August last year, we actually re-optimized to allocate more of your assets towards international bonds and also to Europe, because we thought, and the system suggests, that all the bad news has been factored in to the European market, and it was a good valuation at that point. So if we do go back to good times, or we go back into different environments in the economic cycle, we will go back to picking Asian markets, which obviously include China.
Yeah, and I guess that was actually leads to my next question, which you answered indirectly, but I guess at this point, because of what your model is saying, you guys have pulled out of the Asia Pacific region as a whole.
Yes, right? Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks so much, Ken, for participating and helping us understand the basics of investing, what people should be doing, and how StashAway can play a role in their investment journey. Yeah. And for the people who are watching right now, thank you so much. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and we will try to answer that for you as soon as possible. Otherwise, check out the other videos that we have with Ken here. We have a bunch of other questions that we have recorded and hopefully will help you in some way, shape, or form. And if you're ready to take the next step in joining StashAway, just feel free to use one of the links below in the descriptions, because you'll get some bonuses that you can't find anywhere else. All right, thanks a lot.